In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find my watch history on Amazon Prime Video. Let's dive into the simple steps you'll need to follow to access your watch history on Amazon Prime Video. This process can be done from either the Prime Video website or the desktop app. It's important to note that the full watch history isn't available in the mobile app or on most TV apps, so make sure you're using your computer for this. First, navigate to the Prime Video website or open your Prime Video desktop app. Once you're there, sign into your Amazon account. This is the starting point because you need to be logged in to access personalized features like your watch history. Next up, if you have multiple profiles, you'll need to switch to the correct one. You want the profile whose watch history you wish to view. This is crucial because each profile has its own set of watched content, so make sure you're on the right one to avoid any confusion later. Now, look at the upper right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This icon is your gateway to various settings and features within your account. It's important because this is where you manage your account preferences. From there, select Account and Settings. This will take you to a new page where you have access to various controls for your account. If prompted, you'll need to enter your Amazon account password. This step is a security measure to ensure that only authorized users can access sensitive account information. It's important because it keeps your data secure. Once you're in the Account and Settings menu, click on the Watch History tab. This is where all the magic happens. Here you'll find a chronological list of movies and TV shows you've watched. It's a convenient way to keep track of what you've seen, especially if you're juggling multiple series or movies. At this point, you have a few options. You can simply view your previously watched titles. This is useful if you want to pick up where you left off or just reminisce about what you've watched. However, if you notice something you no longer want in your history, you can remove it. Simply select Delete Movie from Watch History or Delete Episodes from Watch History to remove individual titles. Additionally, managing your recommendations is another powerful feature. By removing certain titles from your watch history, you're essentially telling Amazon not to use those titles for future content recommendations. This can help refine what Amazon suggests to you, making it more tailored to your preferences. It's good to know that while you can't clear your entire watch history at once, these individual deletions give you control over what you keep and what you remove. And there you have it. With these steps, you can easily find and manage your Amazon Prime Video watch history. Remember, accessing your watch history helps you keep track of your entertainment journey, and managing it ensures that your viewing experience remains personalized to your liking. Thank you for watching and enjoy exploring your watch history on Amazon Prime Video.